just did those. Delta A321, Delta A319, and a Delta 737-900. All those unboxings are on the channel. Feel free to check them out. This is my first United one. This is an A319. This is a very rare model that popped up on eBay. Brand new. It was a very good price. I bought it like instantly the moment I listed it. I just typed in, I didn't expect to get it. I just typed in United Gemini 200 and this popped up. And as you know, the new livery United stuff, I don't know what it's called, is not available. And I've been meaning to start a United collection. Just not this fast. But when the deals are deals, you gotta take advantage of it. So guys said it was brand new. I did see a picture of the aircraft. So this is a big moment. This is a discontinued model. The next 3 models that you're going to see on this channel are discontinued models. I love discontinued models. Packed very well. There she is. Bubble wrap and all. IAE V2500 engines, different than the A319's CFM 56s. The seller on eBay was actually absolutely fantastic. First of all, this showed up much quicker than I thought it would. Really fast. Oh, this one's got the plastic on it too. That's fantastic. Oh, look at that. G2UAL 891. Even got a note on it. This is a rare model. I bought this for less than it's worth, for sure. The total price I paid was probably 120 range. This could easily sell for 150, if not more. So I'm very happy. Thank you, seller. I will definitely be giving him feedback on eBay if this all turns out well. So, without further ado, very rare, my very first United. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. So far, description is correct. Look at the shine. You'll know on my A321 video, the box, I was so enamored with how shiny it is, and this is no different. Absolutely excellent. Take a moment to appreciate that. Absolutely fantastic. All right. Moment of truth. What year did this come out? 2019. 2019. This is a little bit older one. Here we go. Yep, the stand is yellowed, as they all are. And this is exciting. There it is. No gear, to put on this one, but that's okay. Let's take her out. Plastic. Ooh, very loose fitting in there. Here she is. Yeah, look at that. IAE V2500 engines. I think these ones have spinning blades in them. Yeah, these are the same blades as the CFM. So they will be spinning. Look at that. Let's turn on this light. Look at that detail. Don't worry, we'll compare the United and Delta one here in a second. Fantastic. United. Stupid little stand. Let's take a look here at the model. A bit closer if we could. She is in the new livery. Ooh. Love it. Fantastic. Let's bring in special guest. CFM 56 and the IAE V2500. Cool. United A319 with IAE V2500 engines. Love it.